Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia, guys. It's a great time to be alive. And guys, this is the Ric Flair of crypto. Woo! Bringing you love over the interwebs, guys. And this is the greatest loving crypto channel on all the interwebs, guys. We're bringing you the straight news, the straight facts, and there's no hype. And I got my co-host, the alien, in the house. Welcome to the channel, guys. And it's a great time to be alive. So we got lots to talk about. We are going to see Dogecoin absolutely explode in December, and I'm going to tell you why that's going to happen. I'm going to show you the details. We're also going to talk about Bitcoin, the other cryptocurrencies, and you guys are going to see a whole bunch of news, a whole bunch of technicals that points to Bitcoin's going to have a huge rise, a huge rally in December, guys. And when that happens, you're going to see Dogecoin is absolutely going to take off. And remember, we've got the Ethereum bridge coming in Q2. We've got the SpaceX, the Doge thing that's going to go to the moon and launch the cubes. So we got a lot of catalysts coming in. We've got the transaction speeds coming up, guys. The speed going up and the fees going down. And we got more and more, Dogecoin adoptees in the house. We've also, you guys know that that biggest Dogecoin wallet that holds 28% of all the Dogecoin is actually held by Robinhood. So the mystery has been revealed. Go back and watch my previous videos, and don't forget to go down there. And remember, this video is not financial advice. This is just an OG in the house expressing his opinion. And guys, don't forget to turn on two-factor authentication in the house. Turn it on while you can, guys. And let's jump into the content while we can, guys. And don't forget to consider and think about becoming a member, guys. Go down there, become a membership. Go right here, click the membership and join, guys, and you get access to our super channel members WhatsApp group, and we got tons of guys in there. It's a friendly group, guys. So get down there and do it, guys. And don't forget to check out my merch, guys. Go check out the merch. Get lots of merch. Get the mug to mug. We got mugs, caps, hoodies, backity pack. We got t-shirts and all sorts of stuff, guys. So go check out the merch, guys. Get it done and show some love for the OG in the house. Go down there, smash the likes right now. Do it. You know you want it. And don't forget to subscribe, EYB, and don't forget to comment, guys. So let's jump into the content without further delay. So right now we're seeing the fear and greed index in the house. We're at 33. Yeah, we were at 27 yesterday, and previous to that we were at 21, guys. So looks like the sentiment is coming back, and that's very good, because as the sentiment comes back, we know that the prices are going to explode, guys. We're also seeing Shiba Inu is now painting a very important technical point in its life right now. So we can see that there's a huge technical alert coming out for Shiba Inu, and this is a positive one. We're also going to talk about that as well, guys. So with that being said, let's jump into the Doge price right now. So you can see that Doge right now, from a technical perspective, if we go all the way down, let me just retrace this. If we go all the way down from October, let me put my face to the left side, because a lot of you have been complaining that I'm always covering up all this stuff, guys. So now you can see clearly. You can see that since October, you can see that Doge has definitely been going down in this whole pattern here, and it's been going down for a long time. I know a lot of you are getting sick and tired of the Doge always kind of going in that direction, guys, always going down. So we had this huge pattern, and it looks like we did attempt to break out a couple of times. So we did break out here, and then we got rejected to the downside. We broke out here, got rejected to the downside. We broke out here, and it was looking pretty good, but then we got rejected around about this level. This was around here, and then now we've broken out again today, so that's looking pretty good in the house right now. So hopefully that Dogecoin will continue and on this upward journey right now. So right now Doge is trading at 25.6. So we've been going sideways most of the time, but I believe that we're going to see Dogecoin absolutely explode in December. I'm hoping that Dogecoin can start to retest the 28 cent level, and you know what, we're not too far off from that if we measure where we need to go from that area now. So from here to 28 cents, we're only talking around about a 36% increase, and that's not impossible. I think that Dogecoin could get there. I think it's just a matter of time, and we will get there, guys. And particularly if we see Bitcoin exploding and Bitcoin taking off, and it should be taking off fairly soon, we're going to see that huge explosion, that huge upside. So Dogecoin to the moon, guys. So you guys just need to know that, you know, previously we had hit an all-time high of 27 cents. So, you know, we're not too far away from that, and I think that we can get there. I absolutely think that we can get there. Let's get this line out of there, because the way we see now, we're trending on this up line. So this is basically the, you know, the apex of this triangle is here. We're still above that, guys. So if we look at this direction, we're kind of moving in this. We have a support channel going in this direction, guys. So hopefully Dogecoin can stay above that, and then that will take us to the promised land of about 28 cents. So we should be going in that direction. I'm going to leave this line up there for some time so we can kind of watch and see if this line is validated. But you know, this whole area here is very critical. This whole area that looks like this is very critical. It's kind of like a upside down triangle or a diamond shape from my perspective. So this is very critical that we get out of this area here. If we can't get out of this area, then we're just going to be doomed to be going sideways for a long period of time, guys. And we don't want to do that, guys. We definitely don't want to be doomed to failure and doomed to be going sideways. So let's just see what happens. But I believe that when we see Bitcoin absolutely explode, that things are just going to be going on fire. So some other news is coming. Shiba Inu Metaverse will be a success, but will it be smooth sailing? So as you guys know, that it looks like Shiba Inu wants to get into the Metaverse. They want to create a game where you get rewarded in Shiba Inu. So that's cool beans, guys. That's absolutely cool beans in the house. So I don't think it's going to be, you know, a slam dunk, easy peasy. But when this happens, when this absolutely happens, you're going to see that, you know, Shiba Inu is going to have more utility, and it's going to be absolutely great for Shiba Inu's ecosystem, and that's just going to, you know, be amazing. It's going to add more utility, and I think that long term Shiba Inu is definitely a good hold and something that you want to look at, guys. You know, in the beginning I was a big Debbie Downer when it came to Shiba Inu, but you know, after taking a look at the ecosystem, and one thing I really like about Shiba Inu is that the developers and the development and the devs team, they're very active, guys. They are very active, and that is very important in the house, because you know, if the developers are not active, if they're not trying to improve the blockchain, if they're not trying to do that, then it's really not good for the project. And we saw, you know, there were periods for Dogecoin that we saw that the development was really just kind of lackluster, but then we had Elon Musk and the Dogecoin Foundation form, and that's why we're seeing that Dogecoin is absolutely, it's improving, guys. And you know, when Q2 comes out, we have all these improvement. They have the Ethereum bridge, everything's going to be looking very good. So here's the proof that I believe, confirms that we're going to see that December we're going to absolutely explode in the membrane, guys. And remember, when Bitcoin goes up, we're going to see everything going up like crazy, guys, and it's just a matter of time. So let's take a look at this. So Bitcoin has trended down minus 21.8% off its all-time highs during this month's correction. So it may be a surprise that this correction is actually the least severe in 2021, measured in all-time highs drawdown. So you can see in January, from all-time highs, we had minus 29% here. You know, went from the all-time highs here and we crashed down to here. In February, we had minus 24%. In April, we had minus 26%. And in March and July, we had, March and July, we had 54%. And then if we look at September, we only had 37%, guys. And November, actually, this last little Debbie Downer crash that we just recently had, we're only down 21.8%. So, and you can see that after we had all of these downward direction, minus 21%, we picked up again. Then we had a 24% correction. Then we picked up again, and then we went down again. Then we kind of meandered sideways, and then we picked up again. So you can still see that this does not validate that the bear is here. In fact, this more likely validates that we're still in a very bullish trend and we're still going to the upside, because look at the history, guys. So guys, this is more evidence that December we're going to absolutely go up, guys, because we have to. We have to go up. The aliens even say I have to. Smash the likes, guys. Don't forget, if you're watching in the live stream, don't forget to give a super chat in the house. Dogecoin to the moon, guys. Bitcoin to the moon. Shiba Inu to the moon. Take that to the bank, guys. So some other stuff that we need to look at right now, and let me get my face out of the way. You can see that also there's more evidence that things are going pretty good. It's the illiquid supply, the Bitcoin held by strong-handed hodlers, is once again growing in the face of price weakness. So we've had a lot of price weakness in the last 30 days, but you can see the chart compares the 30-day rate of change of illiquid supply shock to price. When strong hands are sticking to, and let me blow up the chart for you. So, when strong hands stack during sell-offs, a bullish divergence appears. So we're seeing that even though we had the price weakness, we're still seeing that strong hands are still hodling like never before. And when this happens, we have something called bullish divergence. So we have, price weakness, but the number of strong hands still actively hodling Bitcoin is increasing. So that means, once again, it confirms that we have less supply on exchanges, and the amount of Bitcoin exchanges is extremely low. And this is more evidence pointing to the fact that we're going to see December absolutely explode. And why did November go down, down? And that was very simple, guys. It was very, very simple, and that was because we had this scare that scared everybody, this Omicron thing, and this was a bit of a black swan event, guys. So, guys and gals, stop panicking in the house, guys. We're also seeing that the number of liquidations right now in the last 24 hours is coming down. And if you look at the total liquidations for Dogecoin right now, they're only about 1.93 million. So you're seeing that, all the liquidations right now that are happening, most of it, as you can see, it's almost majority of it is shorts. We have some longs, but we're seeing more shorts getting wrecked, right? Because the shorts were betting against the market, and I think this is turnaround time, because when we have more shorts, once we have the CME futures expire on Friday, and we have more shorts in the game, you're just going to push the prices up, guys. Absolutely, it's going to push the prices up. You know it, I know it, and so here's more evidence that December is going to absolutely go insane. Short-term hodl on-chain cost basis. So you can see, I'm not sure what Bitcoin bears are going to do with this information, but a clean retest of the STH realized price is about as good as it gets for the bull market support. If this bounce grows legs, it starts to look quite a lot like 2017. So you can see, if we look at the 2017, we had the STH realized price supports the bulls. We're having exactly the same pattern. And once that happens, you saw the price, it just skyrocketed, guys. It skyrocketed almost like 200%. So I believe that December, we're still setting ourselves up to absolutely hit all-time highs. $100,000 Bitcoin is absolutely possible. It's almost pre-programmed. And if $100,000 Bitcoin comes in, you think Doge is just going to sit around and not move upwards? Of course it's going to move up. You think that Shiba Inu is just going to lay on its back and do nothing? You're going to see Shiba Inu, you're going to see Ethereum, you're going to see Dogecoin, you're going to see all the top altcoins move like crazy, guys, and millionaires are going to be made overnight, guys. Justin Gala has flipped FTM and is now the 42nd biggest cryptocurrency in the world right now by market capitalization. So you can see that the total market cap right now of Gala is 5.3. So if you had aped into Gala, almost last month, you guys would be in a huge profit, guys. So let's take a look at Gala in the house right now. So if you see Gala right now, Gala is actually on fire. In the last 30 days, it's up 626%. In 90 days, it's up 2,023%, guys. So you can see that it's absolutely insane in the membrane. You can see that it's up almost 86% in the last 7 days. It's up 14.7% in the last 24 hours. So Gala is absolutely smashing it. And as I said, gaming and metaverse tokens are on fire. It's a wild ride out there, guys. So let's say we got some other stuff that's coming in right now. You can see that right now, just in a new whale just bought 2.9 billion Floki tokens, and that was about almost $500,000, just shy of $500,000, guys. So Floki is still pretty much going up, guys. And if we look at the Floki price right now, you can also see that Floki has actually done pretty good today. It's also up as well. Let's get it. Floki Inu. So you can see that right now the Floki is up 27.58% today. So that's looking pretty good. So far in 90 days, we're up 1,200%. So if you guys had aped into Floki about 90 days, you'd be looking pretty good. But today it's been a good day for Floki. We're seeing that it's absolutely coming back. So you guys should be happy. What do you think about that? Yeah, it's looking pretty good. See that right now the top 15 cryptocurrencies in the world by market capitalization is Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Tether, Solana, ADA, XRP, DOT, USDC, Doge, Avalanche, Shiba, CRO, and Luna, and Wrap BTC, guys. So let's take a look at the Bitcoin price right now. So you can see Bitcoin right now is at 57,206. We got six days and about 12 hours to go, and we're still above the 21-day EMA, so that's pretty good. Now last week we almost touched the 21-day EMA, so we are really in danger zone right now. So it's still looking pretty bullish, guys. This is still in the rear view mirror, so I wouldn't worry too much about it. And let's take a look at Bitcoin on the 4-hour on the daily chart right now. So we see that Bitcoin on the daily chart right now, it's down almost 0.12%, so it's almost neutral on this one. So it's still looking pretty good overall, guys. And I think that, you know, we had a bottom here, and it's looking okay. We had another bottom here, but I think that Bitcoin is definitely going to be coming back in December. All the technical, all the TA really points that in December Bitcoin is going to shine like crazy, guys. So keep watching, guys. Keep watching. We're going to talk about Shiba Inu in a second. And this just in, decentralized price is up 10% amid the Sandbox Alpha launch. So this is really cool, guys. So as a leader of the Metaverse projects, boosting the market cap over 9 billion, Decentraland's price has been doing quite well this month. After hitting an all-time high of 5.79 on November 24th, Mana has built up momentum for another bull run. Moreover, with the Sandbox upcoming alpha launch, it's great to see Decentraland price continue to be bullish. What's been new with Decentraland and why the price is rising. So you guys all know what Decentraland is. It's a gaming verse, right? So some of some of the big news for Decentraland on November 22nd, Decentraland announced a large Metaverse land purchase over tokens, and a Metaverse group purchased over 116 parcels of land costing upwards of $2.4 million. Wow. That's crazy, guys. Metaverse is turning to be a revolutionary idea. If virtual plots of land are selling for more than most people's houses, can you imagine a virtual piece of land selling for more than someone's house? That's insane, guys. That's insane. And Decentraland has a collection for its wearables on OpenSea with trading volumes of about 107.5k ETH. So, Decentraland, and I told you, Decentraland, Metaverse, gaming tokens are absolutely going to be on fire and exploding and going to the moon, guys. So do not discount the gaming tokens. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you load up, but I'm telling you to do your research, invest in what you think is right for you. Remember, none of this is financial advice. This is just an OG in the house expressing his opinion, guys. So let's take a look at Shiba Inu. And Shiba Inu is printing a very important pattern right now. So we can see that if this is a Shiba Inu on the daily chart, and if we go back all the way to the 27th of October when we hit those all-time highs, it's been really going down, down, and painting this descending triangle. But we're seeing something very interesting happening right at the bottom of this triangle. You can see that we have finally broken to the upside of this triangle. Oh, even though it's red right now, but this pattern is very, very bullish for Shiba Inu right now. And we're seeing that Shiba Inu right now is trading at around about 3887, around about 39. So we're being supported by this around about the 3635 level. So that's looking pretty good. And where do I see Shiba Inu? This is very positive, guys, and I really believe that we're going to see Shiba Inu start to retest this 43 area here, and we're going to start to go up and retest the 50. I'm blind as a bat. I'm blind as a bat. The 55 level pretty soon, guys. So Shiba Inu is looking pretty good. I believe that we have a 60% chance to break the upside. And if history doesn't repeat and December absolutely does pump, guys, things are going to be looking very, very good for Shiba Inu. You see this huge descending triangle since October when we hit all-time highs. This has just been a little bit of a consolidation. I wouldn't panic too much in the house about it. And we can see here that from that perspective, you can see that if we look at the price range on that, you'll see that right now, then where we went all the way up to the top side right here, on that price range all the way to the top, that was, we climbed to almost 200% from the bottom of that breakout, guys. So if you look from where we are now, from 200%, we've actually gone down. Let's just redo that again. So if we go from all the way to the top, all the way down here to where we are now, we've gone down around about 56%. So it's not too bad considering that we've only gone down to 56% after having a huge gain to the upside down like that. So consolidation is pretty healthy for Shiba Inu, and I believe that we're going to see, as we get to the bottom of this triangle, we're going to see a huge breakout, definitely a huge breakout. Let's take a look at that on a 4-hour and see how that looks on the 4-hour chart. You can see here, this is the bottom of that triangle, and then if we look in here, we can see that this is a point of breakout, and it's looking pretty good. And we have this huge green triangle, and it's looking pretty good as a point of breakout. And you can see here that we got rejected once, we got rejected here, we got rejected here in this area, we got rejected here. We did confirm a breakout here, but then we had this big dump, and then here we got confirmed here, and then we got rejected again here. So this, hopefully this will hold, and this will take us up to this area here. If we can break past this area here, then Shiba Inu has a good chance to trade up the upside. So it's looking okay for Shiba Inu in-house right now. So let's take a look at the total market cap right now. The total market cap is starting to come back. It's at 2.65 trillion. The volumes are at 95.32 billion, and the Bitcoin dominance is holding pretty steady at 40.87 in the house, guys. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. I mean Ethereum right now. Ethereum is doing pretty good. Right now it's trading at 4,300. Right now 4321. So it's looking pretty good for Ethereum, and I think Ethereum is probably going to get back into this area here. So if you look at this momentum that we're looking at, you know, a target, possible target of breaking past the 4400 level, and I think we can do that. We rejected once, twice, 3 times, and I think we are going to try to retest the 4400 level, and we should get past there pretty soon, guys. I hope we get there. I think we're going to do it. Let's take a look at Solana in the house. Solana is also looking pretty good. Right now it's above the 203 level, and right now it's trading at 206 in the house. So that's looking pretty peachy keen, and I think we will be retesting the 210 area soon. So let's take a look at the coins in the house, and then we'll let you get out of here. Let me move my face over. Alien says it's a great time to be alive, and we're seeing the total market is up around about 5.5%. So things are looking pretty good. Things are kind of coming back right now. So we're seeing that Bitcoin right now is at 57,225, and we're up 4.75%. So that's very good. And I think that once again, all the technicals point to December absolutely blasting off, and not only for Bitcoin, for Ethereum, for Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and most of the altcoin projects. It's going to happen, guys. And we're seeing Ethereum right now is up 5.65%. It's at $4,326. We're seeing BNB right now is at 610, and that's up 1.86%. We're seeing Solana right now is coming back, and it's up 8%, and it's 205. We're seeing ADA is up for almost 4%, and that's at $1.58. We're seeing right now DOT is you know, it's trying to come back. It's fighting back, and it's up 5.34%. And Doge right now is up 1.71%, and it's at 20 cents in the house, and it's taking the number 10 spot. And Avalanche is right behind it, and we see that there's still a big gap in the market cap between Doge and Avalanche. You know, almost just over 2 billion is a separation point. And we're seeing that Avalanche is up 1.58%, and it's at $111, $112 in the house. We're seeing that also Shiba Inu is up 1.79% right now, and that's you know, trading around about 40. Luna's doing pretty good. It's up almost 5% right now, and it's at 48.62 in the house. And CRO is down slightly today in the last 24 hours. But I think once the Americas open, we're going to see that turning green, guys, and it's at 74 cents. Let's call it 74. So we're seeing that most of the altcoins are turning very positive. MAN is up 6.42%, so that's looking pretty good in the house. VED is up. FTT is up. We're seeing that SAND is up 14.53, 14.6% right now, and MANA is looking very, very hot, very, very good Atom is up 3.09%. So that's looking very good, guys. Let's take a look at the OG portfolio in the house and see how we're doing. The total portfolio value, remember this is not financial advice, this is only for educational purposes right now. We're seeing the total portfolio value is $9,080. So we're still up 98.6%. So that's not too shabby in the house, guys. And we're at $4,981 profit in the house. Alien love the profits. We love the profits. Smash the likes, subscribe, and if you're watching in the live stream, don't forget to give it a super chat, guys. So that's going to be the end of it for this video. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter. We have 3,285 people in the house. You know it. And guys, it's a great time to be alive. Remember, go down there, smash the likes, subscribe, make a comment, guys. Don't forget once again to check out the merch, guys. You can find all of the links in the description of all of my videos. Become a Patreon member, guys. Buy the channel a coffee. Show some love, show some support, and don't forget to go on over and check the Wifey's channel. You know, Zen Music. There's a new video that's just about to come out, I think in the next 30 or 40 minutes. So go over there and do that, guys. And this is the OG in the house. Just want to say, I love you. God bless you. Let's get the likes up. Let's get 500, 600 likes in this video, guys. Take this video, copy it, and paste it on your socials. Get the message out there. Spread the good vibe. Make every single second count. Live your life to the fullest. Love everybody. Love your neighbors. Love your wife. Love your kids. Spread the love around the world. Woo! I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace out. I love it. You love it. Let's get it, guys.